If you produce a superstar video, it gets a ton of views and it starts to generate ad revenue for you, then the last thing you want is to lose all of that lovely money. That's what's likely to happen if you use a copyrighted song. All your ad revenue will go to that creator, or it will just get muted or blocked. Not only that, but if you spent all that time editing and beat matching your montages to the music, and then YouTube blocks your video, you'll have wasted hours, even days. So our first advice is always don't use anything that isn't clearly royalty free, but if you insist, here's how to find out what's in the YouTube Content ID system that listens out for music. Always check this first. First step, log into your channel and hit up your YouTube studio. Now go to Other Features, which is on the left, and select Audio Library. You'll now see a list of music. If you click the little arrow below each title, it'll show you the usage rights. These are YouTube's free music options, so you can pretty much use them all. Above you'll notice this blue box. This is where you click if you're using someone else's song. Now you'll see a big list. Let's call it the naughty list. For this example, I'm going to type in Uptown Funk from Bruno Mars and Mark Ronson. When you hit search, a list appears. Find the right song and hit the small arrow. For this song, we can actually use it in our videos, but it will cause an ad to appear at the start. So if you're using it on a holiday video and you don't care about building that channel to create monetization, then go ahead and use it in your edit. You can also see that covers of the song are not allowed, and it's blocked in 247 countries, even though Google says there's only 195 in the world. Now let's check out some of Eminem's song. As you can see, he's not down with the YouTube community. Using his jams, a straight up no. They'll be blocked or they'll mute your video. And one last try, Arcade Fire Wake Up. Blocked in 2 countries, Australia and New Zealand. I wonder what they did to annoy them. Oh, and look, covers are okay with them. I probably shouldn't admit this, but searching for artists on here and seeing how nice their record labels are to YouTube viewers is actually quite fun. So before I go back to seeing if Katy Perry is a bit tight with her music or not, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe for more videos to keep your channel on the right side of the law, and check out this video here to learn about 3 music platforms you can get royalty-free music from that does not suck.